Firewood is perfectly split every time by a descending arm with evenly divided chop blades. Watch this steady-handed gardener expertly weed-whack a garden bed with precision. Black brick silicone is used to seal a blocked-out brick line at a rapid pace. Two road workers use a stencil and airless paint sprayer to create a bus stop road sign. A dirty rug is shampooed and scraped clean using a rake-like hand tool. A jigsaw-like tool quickly cuts through various layers of fabric for sewing purposes. Watch these massive pipes and gates get coated in seconds by dipping it into a vat of electrostatic powder paint. Highly toxic expanding foam insulation is sprayed into the foaming bays of an attic. A fractured road is quickly dismantled, scooped up, and emptied into a dumpster by a compact track loader. Tile is rapidly grouted thanks to a nifty grout squeegee that both applies and removes excess grout. Various cleaning solutions are applied to restore the interior of a dirty car. The high setting on a power washer is used to take a fading green fence down to bare wood. This filthy couch cushion is restored to its natural color with a powerful steam cleaning vacuum. A skilled craftsman and sharp knife team up to deskin a large piece of fruit in just seconds. skilled ironworker creates a custom design by uniformly hammering divots into a custom pot. Sunflower seeds are harvested by striking the backside of a sunflower head with wooden rods. A prepped-off wall gets rapidly coated with a supersized roller pad and extension pole. This gardener uses an electric hedge trimmer to level off an overgrown bush. Perfectly mixed cement mortar is applied with a brick trowel and a steady hand. Watch this skilled painter use an airless sprayer to restore this dilapidated wall. This mobile paint sprayer utilizes a laser line to ensure precise lines every time. Freshly refinished floors are clear-coated with a roller pad for a shiny and durable finish. Layers upon layers of fresh dough are chopped with a cleaver to create handmade noodles. A dirty window is frothed up and amazingly squeegeed by this crafty window cleaner. This worker applies a uniform bead of the adhesive before installing a new car windshield. The entire stump of a hemlock tree is removed using a chainsaw and stump grinder. Watch the tile of this shower nook get pointed and set with pro-level precision. A road worker uses a template and his expert skills to paint an arrow on the street. turf glue, a turf cutter, and 3 workers install an out-of-bounds line on a football field. An arm with rotating chop blades cleans up the side of a highway with ease. This talented carpenter makes a shower stool in a matter of minutes with precise measurements.